How's everybody doing tonight? Keto family, Matt Troyce here, and tonight I'm going to show you how to make some chili cheese dogs. Keto friendly, of course. But first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, followed by the bell, so you'll be notified every time I release a new video. And also, please feel free to share this out with anybody you feel would benefit from watching this video. Friends, family, co-workers, Facebook groups. Sharing is caring, guys, and we're all in this together. This video was suggested by one of my longtime subscribers, Eric Freeman. Thank you so much, Eric, for being a big supporter of my channel. This is for you and everyone else. Now, I love chili cheese dogs. Hot dogs in general I just love, and hot dogs are keto friendly, low carb, and guess what? You can make chili keto friendly as well. And I'm going to show you how to do that right now. First thing we're going to do is prepare the ingredients. We're going to chop each one. Cook the bacon until it starts to brown. The bacon has browned sufficiently, so now I'm going to add the onions and the garlic. Give it a nice stir and cook this long enough for the onions to brown. Now the onions have browned sufficiently. Now it's time to add the peppers to the mix. Give it a nice stir. And now cook these peppers until they're browned sufficiently. All right, now we're going to add some ground beef to the mix. This beef has already been pre-cooked already, so I'm mixing it into the pepper and onion mixture. Now I'm going to add 28 ounces of crushed tomatoes. This one has basil, garlic, and oregano already in it. And I'm also going to add a can of pasta sauce. This one has garlic and herb. And finally, 1 can of tomato paste. Then we're going to add 2 cups of water. With some real salt. About 1 teaspoon. Black pepper. And some onion and garlic powder. And just a little bit of hot sauce. Because I like my chili hot. About 2 tablespoons. And give it a stir. Now we're going to cover it and let it simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. In the meantime, we're going to cook up some hot dogs. One of my favorite hot dogs, Nathan's, originating from Coney Island. If you want to check out my vlog from Coney Island, I'll link it above. Now, hot dogs are very simple. You could boil them in water for about 5 to 7 minutes, or you could pan fry them with a little bit of vinegar. Either which way, hot dogs are delicious. Alright, I'm just going to place these hot dogs into the boiling water. Alright, so the hot dogs are done. Now I'm going to top it with chili. And we're going to top it off with some sour cream. And some shredded cheddar cheese. And to top it off, some green chives. Now for a taste test. Alright, I'm going to try these chili cheese dogs. It's like a chili cheese dog in a bowl. Man, that is so good. Delicious. With the sour cream, the cheese, and the fresh chives on top, you can't go wrong. This is incredible. Now, you could have a keto-friendly bun. They sell those now, keto-friendly buns and keto-friendly breads. Sola bread has some really good keto buns. But me, I'm just going to eat it just in a bowl, just like this. Delicious, absolutely amazing. That was probably one of my favorite recipes yet. Thank you, Eric Freeman, for the suggestion. And guys, keep the video suggestions coming. If it's a good idea for a video, I'll make a video on it and give you a shout out right in the video. That was delicious, guys. I hope you all be safe and be well. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Enjoy the rest of your night. Matt Troy signing out.